has identified the cause of the
mysterious new virus.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus has spread across the Philippines.
Domestic air and domestic sea travel to and from Metro Manila shall be suspended beginning March 15, 2020.
Allow me to ask you a question. Do you still feel like you're dreaming? Because for me, everything feels so surreal. In a snap of a finger, the world turned upside down. This is the power of the coronavirus. As cases of COVID-19 continue to rise across the globe and in Dagupan City, daily lives of humans are constantly changing. This pandemic's effects have really been an epitome of a nightmare for humans, causing hundreds and thousands of Dagupeños hanging by a thread just to survive each day of their lives, may it be financially, physically, mentally, and emotionally.
Frontliners are among those who are still struggling yet continue to combat this invisible enemy. With countless sacrifices, unending dedication, and unwavering tenacity, Frontliner continue to pull our community through this crisis. One of the unsung heroes during this pandemic are the employees and members in the local government unit. This range from our local government leaders to our garbage collectors that continue to serve their part in the community of Dagupan City in their own unique ways.
I am a garbage collector.
I am a barangay tanod.
I am a barangay health worker.
I am a city mayor.
And we are also frontliners.
During the lockdown, while most people stay safe in the comfort of their own homes, you can find me roaming around the streets. I am a barangay tanod, also known as alias Levi, or sometimes WKWD. Walay kape, walay duty. I am the watchman of the barangay, assisting the government in the maintenance of peace and order in our community. Usually, I conduct rondas or night patrols to ensure that there are no wayward members of the society, that all the lockdown measures are followed. My priority is to instate peace and safety of all the members of our community.
Cleanliness has always been a crucial aspect in our community, but with this outbreak, sanitation has become more significant than ever. Garbage collectors like me still continued to work during the lockdown to ensure that household waste and even contaminated medical equipment are properly disposed of. Even with the thought of putting my health at risk, I continue to serve the community to ensure that the virus won't spread at a rapid rate because of unsanitary conditions of our surroundings.
As a barangay healthcare worker, my concern isn't just on 10 or 15 patients, but on hundreds of people of all ages in our community. During this pandemic, I provide individuals, mostly the underprivileged, with access to medical treatment in their barangays, leading and creating programs such as free monthly checkups, educating the public on specific health risks, and also encouraging healthier lifestyles to minimize the risk of illness, disease, and infection.
Contrary to other frontliners, my name is often mentioned, but the scenes included in my job are unrecognized. As the mayor of Dagupan City, I overlook every operation, program, and government initiatives while also reinstating lockdowns and other local health protocols to ensure that COVID-19 cases in the city can be controlled and reduced. Above all the sleepless nights, overtime work, and the virus as a threat, I will continue to serve this community and its people with compassion and dedication. March 15, the brink of the nationwide lockdown due to the coronavirus was very abrupt, creating a confusing wave of panic from our community. The national government and us, the LGU, are still currently coming out with solutions to help workers that have been laid off, such as giving nego parts or negosyo parts as financial assistance for these workers to start anew and have a source of living.
Every day, the private sector is also doing its part. The private sector's involvement helps in reducing local businesses to close an intern not being able to pay their employees and just creating a vicious cycle that will take months if not years to recover from. If we stop the spread of the virus now, its impact to our community will be minimized.
Stay and move are words that are rarely put together as they contrast one another. One cannot stay to move. The same thing with the impossibility of movement while staying. However, in our current situation, these words in harmony can develop a relevant statement.
As we stay in various ways, we can move forward from our current situation and we can create a positive difference in staying.
Become a socially aware citizen. Stay updated through always referring to trusted sites like the official Facebook page of the Public Information Office or PIO of the Gupan City to avoid fake news and confusing other people in this time of information fatigue.
Practice proper hygiene wherever you are. Clean your hands constantly and properly, and avoid touching any unnecessary surfaces.
Health protocols should be strictly followed. Practice social distancing when going out in public places. And when you bump into a friend, improvise greetings that require less physical interaction, like elbow bumps.
Stay if you're not with your mask. Don't go past your gate without a mask. Make sure to wear your face mask properly. It should cover both your nose, mouth, and chin. One should practice proper wearing of face mask to be able to make a difference.
Say yes to vaccination when it is readily available to you. Getting the vaccine increases your immunity against the virus and it lessens the instances of us transmitting the virus to other people.
As much as possible, choose to stay home. Make sure to limit going outside unless it is necessary, like buying basic amenities. We should all stay at home, but that doesn't mean it'll be as easy or as simple for everyone else around you. The lack of income and food for the urban poor will lead to widespread hunger and frustration. So learn and do share even the smallest things that you can give to the less fortunate communities.
Our challenge is immense. Across the globe, the spread of COVID-19 continues to cause disease, death, and disruption.
The changes we struggle to face cannot be avoided. The coronavirus has reached certain heights.
But this is not where hope ends. We must continue to stand together to tackle the greatest challenge of this generation.
It is not just the government's responsibility, but also yours to control and suppress spread, strengthen and maintain services, and support each other.
Our vision is clear.
Our vision is big.
But none of these are impossible. I will fight.
We will fight.
And together, we will win this battle.
The biggest thank you for us frontliners can get
Is when you
stay.
stay.